Hello my friends, welcome again. In this video we are going to start a new Laravel series and we are going to build a Laravel CMS website with a Statamic CMS. If you go to statamic.dev and here is the website and you can navigate inside the documentation and see what you want. So for example, if you go to the installation, this is how we can install the Statamic with the help of Composer. So you need to have the Composer installed. Okay, so just copy this command and go to the terminal, navigate to your directory and first install the. Okay, after that you now can run the Statamic new and the name of the application you want to create. So in our case, Statamic new, and I'm going to add the name Laravel. Okay, and which starter kit would you like to install from? And this is the Statamic. Statamic is blank. You have the starter kit, but we are going to install the first one, the blank one. And I think okay, now it's going to install the Statamic website. You can create via Composer. So Composer create project and Statamic in the name. Here is the official starter kit. So a beautiful multi-author capable block. So this is the block, a super clean markdown focus block. So it's for the markdown and all other things. Docs, quick start your documentation website. So if you want to start a documentation website, you can choose this one, a boutique one, a simple commerce. Okay. If you go now to the Laravel and open with Visual Studio Code, I'm going to zoom it. Yeah. Okay. Here's this one, and this is the code is Laravel. It's a Laravel application. And one more, we have a user here, so you see now it's empty. And we have this content assets is going to be here, and it's working with a .yaml file. So we have a collections and pages here. From now we have only the home. We have a globals and the navigation. Okay, navigation here. Taxonomy is here. Now I want to register a new user. And we need to go to so just run this. Okay, and go to the quick start here. And we need to run this PHP, please make user. Copy this one, run it here and give it the email, for example test Laravel /test, name Laravel, and password. Okay, you can put your password here, and you want this to be super user. Yes, and now the user is created. Now if I go here and navigate to the Laravel.test, here is the Statamic website. You have the documentation to Statamic dev, get support from Statamic.com, and control panel. So if you go here, you need to pass the email and password you added here. Okay, so I add this email, so pass it here, and the password, and login. And here is the WordPress, the CMS of Statamic. And you have the collection here. For now we have only the pages, and we have only the home page, which is welcome to your new Statamic website. Again, Laravel.test, and we have navigation. Is not we can create here navigations. We have taxonomies here, assets, and we can create folder upload, blueprints, and we are going to work in the next video with that. So we have 3 blueprints. We have pages, assets, and the user. And pages, if you go here, you have the title of it. This is pages, and the section for main section and sidebar. So main section has title, content, author, and template, and sidebar has slug and parent. So if you go to the pages here and home page, you see here is the title, content, author, and template. You have a default, layout, and errors for 4, and here is the slug and published or not. So you go here inside the pages, so the sidebar it has slug and parent. Here is the main. So you can create a field, one more field, for example, here, and add there. For example, I'm going to add just text and leave it, and I'm going to delete again. So if I finish, so we add the text here, save this one, and now if I go here, home, and we have a text. Okay, in the next video we are going to look more of that. Remove now, save, and you go here, you don't have, so you can add how many fields you want. You have array, grid, select, toggle, and here you have option for only for text, for example, here for media, here, and relationship with assets, collection, entries, form, sites, and other stuff. Okay, I think this video is going to be enough for now, and I see you in the next video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much, and see you. Hello my friends, so welcome again. We are in the part 2 now to work with Laravel Statamic CMS. We are inside the dashboard. Here is our application and I have opened the statamic.dev to see the docs here. And here we have the configuration, and inside the config we have a Statamic folder and all the files of Statamic. So if I go to config Statamic, and we have all the configs for Statamic, and if I go, we have the API for control panel, forms, OAuth, routes, search, sites. So if I go here, we have a default one, and the name is going to be inside the what is inside the config app name. And if you go to the config app name, you know now we have the default is Statamic. So if I change to Laravel, and what is inside the .env app name. Okay, if I go inside the env and we have the Statamic here, we can change to Laravel, save, and nothing happened here. And you know, because if you go now to the resources, inside the views we have 3 files: the default, antlers, HTML, the home one, and layout one. And this layout one, so if I change this to site name, save and refresh now, and you see we have Laravel, but I'm going to leave to give it the title, or the title of the page, or the site name if you don't have. Okay, and this layout antlers is like a default layout in Laravel application. So here we have the basic HTML, and here we have the yield content in Laravel, but here we add template content. Okay, so anything we can add can render here. If you go to the, so if I change this, remove this one, save, come here, refresh, and we are not having this in the center because I remove it. Save, refresh, and this Statamic control panel and that links are coming from the home, from here, home antlers. And to show you, inside the dashboard we have the collections, and for now we have only the pages. But if I go here, edit collections, okay, and here we have the template, and by default it's going to be default, or inside the layout we have the layout page. So this layout here, and if I change, for example, to 404 and save, come here, refresh, we have a 404 page. Change the layout and save, refresh. Okay. We have the Tailwind CSS here and the site.js, and that's coming from the, if I go here, the Webpack, we have resources.js, site.js here, and inside the resources.js, site.js, we don't have anything here. When we have the tiling CSS, so if inside the CSS, tiling CSS, here we have imported the base of the tiling component and utilities, and we import the site, which is this one here. For now we don't have anything, but if we make changes here, we don't need to add inside the web component, webpack, but by default it's important that the tiling CSS is going to add inside here. Okay. So I want to render dynamic data here, and if we go to the pages, home, where you see we have this welcome to your new Statamic website. Okay, but in the home, because here we add the template is home, so inside the home here we have this control panel and the documentation and get support. Okay, the control panel, documentation and get support. If I change the template to the default one, and if you see here we have a go to listing or continue editing when we save. So if I save, I'm staying here and refresh now, and we have the text here. Okay, welcome to your new Statamic website. And if you go to the default one, so we have only the content, and if you want to add the title of the page, we can add here, for example, just add it here, and so this is the title. Refresh, and we have the home here, and if I change the title to home page, for example, just to make a change, refresh, and we have home page here. You see it's not a very good styles here. So if I add h1 with the class of text to Excel and text green 500, for example. Okay, and here add the paragraph. Content. Save, come here, refresh. And nothing happened. Why nothing happened? If I need to run maybe the npm run dev. Okay, we need to add the npm install to install all the dependencies, because I don't make this before. So install all. Okay, add npm run dev here. Okay. Yes. If I refresh now, yeah, now we have the home page change, but we have inline, and that's it. inside the layouts, we need to remove this. Save, come here, refresh, and we have that one. Maybe we want to add here a div with a class of max width 6 Excel and makes auto. Save, come here, refresh. Yeah, now we haven't saved in the center. Okay, and that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy. If you like, please like the video and see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, welcome again. We are in the part 3 now to work with the Laravel Statamic website. Here is our application. We display the homepage title and content. Here is the dashboard, and inside the collections we have only one collection, pages, and here we can create a new collection, or if we go to the pages we have only one page. We create, this is homepage, so here, this one, and I'm going to create another one. So I create entry and I'm going to call it about us, and this is about us page for the content. The author is Laraveler, and with the if you go here with Statamic free version, you have only one user. If you want more users, you can go for the Pro. The user has the member account for your Stat application. Okay, so if you want more users, you need to go to the Pro features. Okay, and the template here, we have author, which is Laraveler, and template I'm going to leave it default one, and slug here is what the title, or you can change, but I'm going to leave it as it is. And here we have create another one, so save, and I'm going to create another one. So another one I'm going to contact us, and this is the contact us page. Okay, and the same thing here, the default one, slug is contact us, and now go to the listing and save and publish. Here we have about us and contact us. If you go here and slash about us, here is the title and the content. If I change this to contact us, yeah, this is the title and the content. Okay, if we go here, I want to create a new collection, and this is for the basic of Statamic series. So I'm not going to go deeper, just to show the basics. So I'm going to create a new collection, and I'm going to call it posts, and here we said we recommend a plural name, so not post but posts, and create a collection. And go here, we have this button to create an entry, or first I'm going to scaffold resources, and if you want a blueprint, you can check this. So I need a blueprint for posts. If you need an index template, it's going to create a new index file inside the post directory in the views directory. So if you want the index, you can check, and the same things for the show. So if I open the terminal and cd to Laravel, cd to the Laravel, okay, open with code, and here is our application. I'm going to zoom it, yeah. Inside the resources we have views, and now we have only the errors and default, home, and layout. So when we go here, if I create now, we are going to have a post directory with index and show files. So if I create this, okay, go back, and you see now we have a post here with index, antlers HTML, and show antlers HTML. Okay, now go and configure collections. Here we have if you want to enable publish dates, I'm going to enable that, and orderable, I'm going to leave it as it is. Blueprints is post, okay. Template is going to be post show. Layout is going to be the default layout. Route is going to be, if you go collections, and yeah, here we have a routing. And for example, if you're going to go to the blog Slack, and it's going to create this. Okay, so here you can go for the posts and Slack. Okay, save this, go back now, and we have posts here. Go to the blueprints. Inside the posts we have the title, if you go to the create entry, and we have only the title. Okay, so what we need for the posts, we go to blueprints, posts, and for the posts we need here we can add fields. So create field here, and for the post we need the author. So when we have users, and I'm going to call it author. Okay, and this is the variable name of the field, and the maximum is going to be 1. We have only one author. If conditions and validation, so if you want to add validation like a boolean date or required, so you can click required, and this is going to be required. So finished. Another one, if for the content, and we have a markdown or BART. This is more like here we have for the inline code block, images, tables, and display as this HTML. Here we have sets, but I'm not going to do now. And we're going to finish that. We have a validation conditions, but I will leave it. Okay, title, author, BART. What we can add more here? Yeah, we need the image. So create a field here, and we need the image where is the assets. Okay, we need the feature image. And this is the variable name. Container, we have only one container for images assets, and max is 1. We need only one for the allow uploads. Yeah, and this is finished this, and save. Okay, now I go to the post, create a new post, and for example Laravel is our lesson name. Choose an author, and we have only one. Type something here. The content, and we can bold what you want. We can add link, and here we can browse images or upload file here if I have something here. Okay, and it's uploading. It's showing here the slug and the date, publish, and now we have if you go and check this view, now we don't have anything because inside the show, if I say title here, save, refresh, and now we have a title. Okay, one more thing, it's going to be a long video, but if you go here and go to the GitHub, okay, I want to add this in the GitHub repository because someone commented and need this. So if I go here and Laravel Statamic test, okay, create this repository here, and I'm going to add it and pass in the description below. So this is for this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Hello my friends, welcome again. Here we are in our application. Here is the home page, and here's the dashboard. In this video I'm going to create a navigation, so I don't want to go to the page about us and contact us manually. Okay, so if you go here and inside the collections, we have pages and posts. Inside the pages we have about homepage and about us and contact us. I want to create one page for the post, so create an entry here, and I'm going to call it posts. I'm going to go post index, and okay, save and published. And now we have for posts, you'll see here we have a list with checks, but now you can drag and drop it's like a menu to reorder them. Okay, so I want the post to be here and about us and contact us over there. And now I want to go to the code. Here is our code and the layout. Inside the layout I want to display the navigation, and if I go here I want to check to have a simple navigation, and I think we have here, yeah, okay, this one. And copy this code and pass it here. If I save and come back, not about us, but okay, here, yeah, we have file blocks and links. Okay, first thing, I want to change this to Laravel and add a link here. So I have to go to the home page. Here is our links. I don't need the button. And save, come here, refresh. Okay, now Laravel, and we have this last link. If you go to the Statamic dev and tags/nav, you have this for navigation, and here is how you can display the navigation for the collection pages. Okay, so just copy this one, come here and pass it here, and we end with this one. Okay, and we display the title here. Okay, just type it title and shref URL, save, go here and refresh, and now we have about us, contact us and posts here. And this is because I don't make a save changes here. Okay, come here, refresh, and now we have posts, about us and contact us. Okay, if you want to have the home page here, so the home page here I think is, yeah, down there, include home to true. So if I sorry, come here and include home to true. Save, come here, refresh, and now we have the home page, and I want to change the name here, no home page but just home. Save, okay, refresh now, and yeah, we have the home here. Post is going to the post, about us page, and contact us. Okay, now when we go into the post, we don't have anything because inside the post index we're not showing anything. So if I want to show the title of the, come here, refresh, and we have the title of the page, post, and now here inside here I want to display all the posts, but in the next video, because it's going to be a long video, so for this video I think we are okay. Just created the navigation and created the home post page here and reorder them. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, welcome again. Here is our application, and here is the dashboard of our Statamic website. So here we have the home page, posts page, about us, and contact us. Now inside the post page I want to display all the posts we had, and after that when we click the post, I'm going to go to show the single post. Okay, so first thing here inside the collections, posts, and we have only one post here, and we have the author, and before that I want to pass the feature image maybe here. I think it's more nice here, or before, after the title. Okay, so if I go to the blueprints, posts here, and maybe, yeah, down there. Okay, save, and the BART I'm going to add here and author down. Save this now and go to the post and click that. Okay, I think it's more nice now. Here is the feature image, the date, and the slug. Here is the BART, author, and the title. Okay. I want to create another one, so I'm going to go to the Ipsum, and create some entries here. Okay. And the author is Laravel. Browse files, we have only one. I'm going to leave it, or just no. I'm going to create to upload another one. Downloads. Open this one. Okay, and create another one. Save and create another one. Come here, copy this, copy this one, and Laravel here. Sorry, upload image. Upload an image here, and now we have 3 posts. I'm going to leave it for now. And okay, so if I go now to the code, and here is the default handlers, but inside the post, and we have index. Yeah, and we display only the title. Okay, so where is the post? Yeah, we display only the title of the page, but I want to display the collection. So if you go to the statamic.dev and search for collection here inside the tags collection tag. Okay, so tags and collections, and here we have an example with collection from a blog or collection blog. In our case is so I'm going to copy this and pass it here, and now for the blog, what I think is, yeah, maybe, okay, here it's okay, from the posts, and refresh now. Yeah, we have 3 titles because we display the title here, but I want to display the image and so on. So if I go here and I'm going to search for the Tailwind CSS article, and yeah, we have something here, and I want to display it like this. So copy the code here, and okay, we have a table, and here we have the article. But I don't want all of that. We need okay, and now inside this I want to do a column. And if I save here, refresh, and collection blog, yeah, I forgot here, not blog, but post, refresh, okay, now we have 3, but the title is not our title. If we go to the articles here, and we have the image, the title, I want to add our title. Sorry, and refresh now. Yeah, we have our titles, Laravel Awesome, Why do you send? Okay. Now we need the author name here in the image. And the image is what we add here. So if you go to the blueprints and inside the post, so feature image, and you know we have this, so this is a variable for the image. So if I come here and add the feature image, okay, I refresh now. Yeah, we have the image. What we can do, we need the author name. So the author name is what we add the blueprint. Sorry, I'll go here and author. Yeah, we add the author. And where is the author name? So author, if we come and check this, and now maybe we need to add, you know, like this, maybe like this, sorry, name, refresh, yeah, and the date here, okay, refresh, and yeah, we have the date. What can do? Can do more. The date here, and yeah, the image of the author is not our image. So if you come here, author name, and author, what the author has. So if I go here and profile here, what we have a avatar, but I don't have an avatar, so I'm going to, I don't know if I have an avatar, so just search for avatar here and download the avatar. Okay, I'm going to download the first one. Okay, go here and upload this avatar now. Okay, save, and in our code, our author avatar. Okay, refresh. Oh yeah, the avatar is very, we need to add the age of 8 maybe, and with 8, and if I go and refresh, image class age 8 and width 8, and what, yeah, now we have this. Okay, and now I want to, when we click here, to go to the single post, so where we have a href here, and we put the URL, and that's it, and another one for the title, or no, yeah, we use for the image, sorry, for the image we have the URL, and refresh now. Okay, when we click this, you see down there we have click here now. Okay, click here. Yeah. And for this video, that's it. See you in the next one. If you like, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, welcome again. We are in the part 6 now to create Laravel CMS website with Statamic CMS. Here we have the front end of our application, the home page, the posts, about us and contact us. In the post we display all the posts, and now I want to add the pagination here. And when we click here, for now we display only the title, but I want to display the image, the author and the content as well. Okay, and for that I have search, and inside the tagging components I find this one for to show the post, and for pagination this one. Okay, go back to the code. Here we display all the posts. Okay, and I don't want to display the title of the post of the page. Okay, just the. Now if you go to the documentation of Statamic, and we have front end here, tags, collection, and here we have pagination, and this is how we can add pagination. So we have collection for the posts what we have here, and add limit and paginate to true, and add the scoping as post. Okay, go back, and here now remove this one, add the collection of the posts and the collection of the posts, and add here the paginate, and we check if we have no results, but otherwise display here. Okay, I'm not going to copy this, just cut this one and add it here, and after that add the post collection. So we add as scope as a post and add it here, and the div remove from here, close the post and close the div here. Okay, indent a little bit, and if I go now here and refresh, yeah, everything okay. Now I want to add the pagination down there, and refresh to see what we have. Yeah, we have pagination, but for now we have only 3 posts, and if we go here we limit to 10. If I limit now to 2, refresh, yeah, we have only 2. Next and preview, and you see we have the page 2 now here and page 1. Okay, but this is not a very good style, so I'm going to copy this one, and you find this inside the tagging components if you want. Okay, show code, and I'm just going to copy this and paste it inside the paginate. Okay, remove this one, and this I want to make it href, for the previous page, and this one for the next page. Href next page, and here I want to display this is hard coded, but I want to display the total items. Okay, and that's it. So if I remove this one and add it here, total items, and remove this, go here, refresh, and yeah, we have the total items of 3, but we have the background to 200, for that is not showing the background. If I change the BG grade to 400, for example, and the same thing here, and the same thing here. Okay, come back, refresh, and yeah, we have this one. Okay, now I want to display I will click here to display the post, and I find this one inside the tiling components, show code, and first we have here we have a header. I don't want a header, I want only this, and so I don't want the footer. So yeah, I have only this one. Copy, go to the show method, show unders, and pass it here. Refresh, and this is how it looks. And now we need to modify this. Okay, go up here. Here is the title. Add the title here. We don't have any tags or category, so I'm going to leave it hard-coded for now. And the image, I'm going to add the image. Okay, we have the featured image, and here is the here is the content, and I'm going to add our content is barred for us. Okay, and here is the author name, and the role, but I'm not going to display the role here. Just see what we have. If I refresh, okay, this is the content and Laravel, and we need to add the image of our author. So we have author avatar, and refresh. Yeah, it's the image. For now we don't have the follow, but we can add the follow. So if you go here and make this as href and https twitter.com and Laravel.com. Okay, I refresh, and it's the same thing. If you go here to the old post and find this one, for example, yeah, choose another one. Okay. Here is the title, and here is the content and the image. Okay, you can style it how you want, but just to show you how we can. And when we display the cryptocurrency here, I want to display the date, and just add the span and add the date here. Refresh, and okay, here is the date. And this is what I'm doing for this video. If you like, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Hello my friends, welcome again. We are in the part 7, how to create Laravel CMS website with Statamic, and here's the front end. We have a homepage, posts, about us and contact us. In the post page we display the posts, and I add the pagination here. And when we click to the post, we go to the single post and show the post, the title, the date, and here is the hard-coded tag, but I'm going to change this now, and the content and the user who created that post. Okay, but before I'm going to change the look here. So of the number, if you go to the views and layout, here we have a body, and just indent little bit this one. So we have a body with a BG gray 200, I'm going to change the 100, and the header we have I'm going to add BG blue 500, and I'm going to change the text gray to text gray 100. Save, come here, refresh, and yeah, I'm going to leave it this how it is. Okay, we go to the post, yeah. Okay, now I have opened the Statamic dev, and inside the core concepts you have the taxonomies here, and you can read the documentation, how to work, how to use them. Okay, and now inside the dashboard we can go to the taxonomies and create one, and the recommended use title is plural, so in our case tags, create that, okay, and configure taxonomy. We created the blueprints for the tags, and here we can choose the collection I want to use this taxonomy, and in our case I want to use only for the post. Save now, and if you go to the collection, post, okay, and here we have the tags, okay, so for example, save Laravel, and now I want to display here, but before that I want to go to taxonomy, and tags, we have only Laravel. I'm going to create another one for Livewire, and create another one for Vue.js. Save, go to the tags, and we have 3. Okay. If you go to the code, inside the content taxonomies, we have title tags, and the folder tags we have the Livewire and Vue.js.em file, title of data blueprints, and so on. Okay, Laravel, yeah. Good, now I'm going to go to the collection and add to the post and add tag here. To this one I'm going to add the Livewire, save, and this one Vue.js. Okay. Now inside the code, I want to go, and I not think I have said you, the Statamic don't store the data inside the database, but inside the .yam file and md for the post. For example, if you go here, content, collections, and pages and posts, and you have here the title and .md. So we have title, author, BART. Okay, and here we have tags, and the tag is added to this one. Okay, so inside the posts show where we have this cryptocurrency here, I want to display the tags that have this and here we made a loop, and I'm going to end that, and here we display the title, and here the URL. Save this one and go here now, refresh, and now we have Laravel here, and you see the URL down there. Okay, so if I go to this one, we have Vue.js, and you see here down there we have posts, tags, and Vue.js. So your collection URL, taxonomy Slack, for example products tags, or in our case, or blog tags index, or in our case posts tags, and now we need to add the index, and or if we want to down, yeah, here, so collection, taxonomy name, in our case is collection is posts, and taxonomy name is tags, and index. Okay, so if I go here inside the post, go and create new folder, call it tags, and inside it new file for index, antlers, HTML, and another one for show antlers .html. Okay, and we can display like this one, URL, terms, and in our case it's tags, not terms, but copy this, and inside the index, not terms but tags, and save. And if I go now click this. Now we don't have anything, but if I go to the tags, and yeah, we show all the tags. And if I cut this and add inside the section with a class of margin top 10 and add here. Yeah. Now with that class here with margin 2 and padding 2 and DG blue 500. Save, refresh. Okay. Class here with padding 2, save, refresh. Yeah. Here we have all the tags. We can add the H1 here, for example, and add the title of the page of the collection, and we are his tags. We can add a class with a padding of 4 and text for Excel. Save, refresh. Yeah, here's tags and Livewire. We don't have anything now, but if we go here, and here's how we can display the entries for the tag. So show here and just pass it here. Entries, save, and if I go and refresh, we have Laravel is awesome here for the Livewire. If I go back and check the Laravel, we have this one, and for the Vue.js we have this one. But here I want to add like a card, and inside the index of the post, so we have this column, and I want to do the same thing inside the show here. Okay, and we need to add before that this div, not the URL, not the UL, sorry. Okay, and here close the div. And if I save and come here, refresh, yeah, we have this. Go here, go here, yeah. But I think it's better to create a component, or in Statamic we can use partial, and I think you can find somewhere the partial. If I search views, yeah, and how you can create a partial. Okay, so it's good to add the we recommend prefixing any views intended to be only used as partial with an underscore. Okay, so inside the post, I'm going to create a file, call it underscore and card dot antlers HTML. Okay, now I want to add here this one, cut from here and pass it here. save, and now we can add the partial and here like this. So partial and post card. Okay, save, and where we are inside we can do the same thing for the when it index. Okay, and indent and save, and if I come in here, refresh, yeah, we have the same thing. If you go to the post, okay, that is okay, that is good. And this is how the tags is going to work. What we can show other things here. I think this video is enough for now, and see you in the next video. If you like, please subscribe and share with your friends this video. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, welcome again. And this video I'm going to create navigation and add the search functionality here. And with that I think we are going to finish this series. So we have a navigation here. If you go to the layout page, and we have a nav collection pages. So we add the pages here, and there is a problem. So if we create a page here, and we can be displayed here. And for that I'm going to create a navigation, and we recommend name that matches where it will be used, like my nav or footer nav. I'm going to name it my nav, and the handle is going to be my nav. Okay, create that, configure navigation, and choose a collection. I'm going to choose pages, save, and go to my nav, and link to entry. I'm going to choose all pages here, reorder the pages, save changes, and now inside here where we have a collection. So if you go to the documentation and inside the navigation, you can read or you can use. Okay, I'm going to remove that and add the mine nav here. The same thing for the closing, mine nav, and save this one. Come here, refresh, and we have the same thing. Okay, go to the post, about us, post, home, yeah. Now, so when we are inside the mine nav, yeah. If we don't want this one, we can remove and save changes. Come here, refresh, and yeah, we have only 3. We can add one and link to entry, and this is the contact us. Select, we add the contact us, save changes, and yeah, we have it here. Okay, now the second one, I want to add the search functionality, and if you go here, you have the search here, and we need to add the form. Okay, and I'm going to add inside the layout, and before the links here, save, come here, go to the, and here it is, but don't need the button. I'm going to add some classes here, and I'm going to add the margin left of 4, padding 2, and text is going to be gray 900 and maybe rounded. And okay, save, come here, refresh, and yeah, that's it is. So if I search for Laravel, and now we have 404 page not found. Okay, so search, we need to create a search here inside the views, new file, and I'm going to create a search antlers.html. Okay, and we need to add that. Okay, save. With that we don't have anything because we don't tell to the Statamic where to go. We need to create a page for that, and I'm going to create a page for the search results, I'm going to call it, and the template is going to be search, and the slug is going to be search as well. Save this one and go here and search for Laravel, and we have a page not found because inside the layouts the action is going to be search results, but if I change this to search, okay, and now search for Laravel, and yeah, here we have the tag Laravel and the post Laravel. But I want to search only for the tags, for the posts, and we can find here something, so we can search a specific index. Okay, so search results tag. Yeah. And if your site default index includes only the title from all collections, okay, so here we have, and that is inside the config Statamic search. Okay, so if I go here and inside the config Statamic search, yeah, we have a default one. If I create another one, I'm going to call it a post, and it's going to be an array and driver. I'm going to copy all of that, pass it here, driver local, and this is going to be collection of the post, and we want the title and the bard, so the content, we call it bard in the post. If I go here, you can, so inside the post we have a title and the bard. Okay, I need to search and here as well. So with that, now if you go to the search results, we can specify the index, and the index is posts. If I search, save and come here, search for Laravel, and here we have we have Laravel is only one. Yeah, that is okay, but here I want to add you know what I mean. I want to add the partial, because we have a okay, and it's inside the pause, and the partial is card. Save this, refresh, and this is the search results. Okay, so we have a search, we have a pause, and I'm going to change this inside the index. Here we limit to 2, but I'm going to limit in 12. Save, come here, refresh, and now we have 3 of them. And that's it for the Statamic for this series. I am not sure if I'm going to create another one to go in much details for the Statamic, but for now this is going to be the last video. If you have any, you can comment it in this video or any video if you want, and I'm going to see what I can do. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next videos. Thank you very much.